What's going on, everyone? We have an important notice out of the DTCC. It's similar to one that I posted, I believe, yesterday about the capped contingency liquidity facility reset reminder on January 3rd. I think you get a little bit more detail on this one here. Basically, the Mortgage-Backed Securities Division, or the MBSD of the Fixed Income Clearing Corporation, or the FICC, will reset the CCLF, or the capped contingency liquidity facility, requirement for all clearing members that selected option 1 or 2 on the officer's certificate. Not sure. Oh, wait, it explains that below. Okay, again, the reset will be on the 3rd, and options 1 and 2 are defined as below. Option 1, the member is eligible for and has established borrowing privileges at the Federal Reserve Bank discount window. Option 2, the member has an affiliate that is eligible for and has established borrowing privileges at the Fed Reserve Bank discount window for the member. So that's options 1 and 2. It's saying that, again, it will reset the requirement for all clearing members that selected all option 1 or 2, and that's what the options were. Either the member is eligible for and has established borrowing privileges, or the member's affiliate is eligible for and has established borrowing privileges with the Fed at the discount window. And then there's an option 3. Clearing members that selected option 3 on the officer's certificate will continue to have their CCLF requirements reset on a monthly basis. Option 3 is defined as follows. Option 3, the member is ineligible for or has not established borrowing privileges at the Fed Reserve Bank discount window, either directly or through an affiliate. All members are reminded that A, as reflected in the officer's certificate, each clearing member has certified that the CCLF requirement provided by the MBSD, which again is the Mortgage-Backed Securities Division, will be incorporated into such members' liquidity planning. B, on a daily basis, CCLF requirements are available via the MBS liquidity section of Report Center. So that's basically what this one is. Again, all about liquidity, right? You've seen it in the filings, you've seen it in the notices. It's everywhere. There's none of it. It's been decaying all year. So likely some, I don't know. Their plans are changing clearly. So keep an eye out.